What's going on, guys, and welcome to Yoda Expedition. Today we're going to be looking at 3 different ways to add some organization to the center console and glove box on the 3rd gen Tacoma. So right here on the table we have the glove box divider. This is going to be a 3-part construction. Simply goes together, slides right into the glove box, and gives you a couple of extra compartments so everything is nicely separated and you don't just have a bunch of things shoved into your glove box. We also have the we can keep that in maybe. No, can't grab it from that one either. How am I supposed to pick this thing up? And we also have a divider for the center console. This is going to give you 6 individual pockets to separate everything and make it nice and organized down in there. And then you can top it off with the center console organizer. This is gonna go right on top. It's gonna give you 2 compartments and a change holder and make everything nice and tidy. So let's go ahead, get these installed in the Tacoma, show you how they work and show you what they look like. So we're going to start off with the center console, and we have the divider here. This is going to be a 3-piece construction, and it's pretty simple to put together. It's labeled what's going to be going towards the front, what's going to be going up. So all you have to do is just interlock these together. We're going to go ahead and drop this into the center console, and then just turn it until it's straight, and it's as simple as that. Then you can go ahead and take the center console organizer. That drops in right on top, and you're good to go. So with the organizer installed here in the center console, you can see on the factory console there is this cutout here for wires to come through. There is also a cutout on the organizer, so you can still utilize that if you want a wire to come through. There is also a hole here if you want the charger wire to come up through. You can put your phone in there, charge it with the console closed. Moving on to the glove box divider, this is also a 3-piece construction. So this simply slides together. Everything's labeled up and front, so you know which orientation you're going to be putting it into your glove box. And then this piece here, we're going to slide into that slot and then push this up, lock it into place. And then we also include 2 little 3M double-sided tape pieces. There is a ledge here on either side of your glove box. We're going to be putting those one on each of those, so that when this is in place and you're pulling and putting things in and out of your glove box, this isn't going to be moving on you. So I'm going to go ahead and apply one of these to each side. It doesn't really matter where you put it as long as it's on this ledge. And then we can go ahead and peel off the top part of the tape. Now we can go ahead and install the divider. Make sure you're putting it in the right orientation. It's going to really only fit one way. Once we have it in place, we'll go ahead and push down on the double-sided tape. Now you have 3 divided pockets on the bottom, 1 here on the top, and then you still have this big shelf for your factory booklet. All right, guys, so that's gonna wrap this one up. If you guys are looking for a little bit of extra storage in your 3rd gen Tacoma, we have all 3 of these available on yodaexpedition.com. You can click the link in the description, head over and grab one today.